Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. It is Friday the 13th. Fridays in general for me are usually not good trading days for whatever reason. I don't know, but I do struggle trading on Fridays. And it is, since I know that already, I try to really manage my risk, follow my rules. And, doing that, I know that I can't have a bad day. It's so hard to get this through to beginning traders to keep the red days small so that you can stay consistently, in the profit. It's very difficult to follow rules. Everybody makes mistakes, but I'm here to beg you guys. If you're just starting out, even if you've been trading for a while and you might struggle to be consistent, the key lies with managing your risk and keeping your red days as small as possible. Because, the bottom line is you should at least have far fewer red days than green days. But those few red days that you have to try to keep them small. So that's why I set up rules for myself, and setting up those rules and following the rules today, even though today's a red day, is really what kept me, in the green for this week. Now, I think I probably got about 60% of my weekly goal. And the only reason why I kept my 60 to 70% of my weekly goal is because I minimized my risk today. So I was green Monday through Thursday. My one red day was today. Fridays in general are red for me, but I kept it small enough that I was, profitable on the week. And you do this over and over again. And that's the key to day trading. So, just, make your rules up, follow your rules. You're not always going to, listen to them, but you got to do your best to follow them. So anyway, what did I just trade? AMC. I saw AMC was rip roaring starting at 10:30 in the morning, came into the lunch hour, and I looked back to see what it did yesterday during this time, and it had a very similar pattern. You all know, if you've been following me a while, that I always like to follow the patterns. I don't know why they happen this way. A lot of it is computer algorithms, but once I noticed this area here, I thought this was a very low risk, very high reward trade. So once it got over this level, I bought my starter position at 34.02. It dipped down to the 9 EMA. I added to my position at 33.84, making my average cost, I think, around 33.93. So then I started to take profit out at 34.14 and then 34.14. So the first one went, and then I said, you know what, let me see if I can get a little extra on the second part of my position. It didn't really go anywhere. So I just, took the profit at basically the same level about a minute later. But this was a $40 trade in about 2 minutes. So this was really, really good. Now, what got me this morning was FULC. For whatever reason, and I do know why I got involved in this stock, because this is a former runner, but for whatever reason, it just totally sold off. It ripped up about $2 a share. I saw it on the pre-market scanner, wanted to obviously get involved in a former runner that went from like $6 to $25. It didn't really continue. It hit previous resistance up here at 25, and I stopped out on only 50 shares. This is key. Managing risk. This was a perfect example of managing risk. So I only went in with 50 shares, was able to keep the loss small. But you know, this was not a great way to start the day, but it is what it is. So what I also do, and I'm going to do that now, I have to alert Discord of AMC. Whoops. What am I doing? Got sun in my eyes. So, you know, this is our Discord. We'll go in here and alert on certain things. AMC just happens to be, you know, ripping up. So we alert people in the Discord, let everybody make their own decisions, but it is nice for these ticker symbols to be called out during the trading day. So another one today that we did well on was, well, actually, I'll just show you how I did. So this was a red day for me, like I said, but manageable, only down $36. That is very, very manageable. It allowed me to keep my gains for the week. And like I said, I can't stress it enough, but BTBT, this one, oh, this must have knew that I was trading it, because the second I got in, it went down. And boy, am I glad that I stopped out. So what happened here and what happened with BTBT is it's a crypto stock. You know, I don't really do well trading these stocks, but I saw a lot of momentum off the open and I got in right here for the break of high of day, and it flushed on me. One candle, basically the second I hit the buy button, I got stopped out down here. Yeah, it is what it is. I mean, am I glad that I stopped out here? Of course. Price just kept going down after that. Who knows where this thing is now? We're at 1440. If you don't stop out when a trade doesn't work, you can't just hold it and hope that the price comes back to you. But this was a massive, massive loss for my risk tolerance on only 100 shares because I got caught up in this flush. Everybody gets caught in flushes. It happens, but it does really, really suck when you do. So SPRT was my other really, really good trade today. Right over here, we were scalping it. I noticed that, I mean, bull flag after bull flag on this one. Flag there. We have one here. This is a breakout there. Whoops. Don't mind my drawing, but you guys can tell that, you know, this thing was ripping up, consolidating, ripping up, consolidating, ripping up. That's it. That's your third move. So there you go. And then you get the little bit of a sell-off. I usually don't like to stay around for more than 3 big moves on these stocks. Profit taking into the open. And then we got a really good trade right here. So this is a red to green move. It opens up here for the day, goes down, and gives you that red to green. The red to green over VWAP, breaking the high of the pre-market, is what we all used to trade back when the market was super hot. Now, we only got this tiny little bit here, but previous, you know, months when the market's hot, this would have kept going and just made people's entire months on one stock. but it's August. This is trading in August. And that's where we're left with on Friday. So it's a red day for me, but managed my risk, followed my rules, and kept my profit for the week. So that's it for me, guys. I'll see you back on the next video. It is the last day of trading from the beach house.